I moved here in 1991 to the Rogue Valley, and I've been shopping here and having a good time, but I found the deal, the real deal. I found the Gypsy Trader at 113 West 1st Street in Phoenix, Oregon. You know, if you're coming into Phoenix from the north, if you're coming down from Medford, of course, it's a one-way street. Turn right on 1st Street, and Sacco's Mexican Restaurant is on the corner. So just turn right on 1st Street, and Gypsy Trader is on the same side of the street, a couple buildings down. Now, the highest quality, lowest price. Compared to other thrift stores, this is the real deal. Other consignment shops can't touch the prices. Here's my testimony. My wife found 2 small oak bookcases, sound wood, for $35 each. We bought them. A Dale Tiffany Chinese floor lamp, like new, and I do mean like new, for $35. A 1950s vintage 5-drawer all-wood dresser for $65. If you want quality at the best price, take a little drive into Phoenix, Oregon on 1st Street, west of Highway 99, behind Sacco's Restaurant. Be there or be square. I'm Bill Kiefer.
If there's no chance to reach you, no bridge, no boat, no stone,